Right, hello everyone. So very quick unboxing with the Swiss proper thing to properly open the proper box there as a proper base. So it's Marcus Miller Sire P7 white and thought was. So this is a one-hand thing. Bought it from Thomann. I've seen one unboxing, but it's in the US, and apparently in the US they do offer you a gig bag, which is not happening here in Europe, or at least with Thomann. Doesn't worry me that much. Well, bear in mind, if you buy it from Thomann, there's no gig bag offered. So that's it. Oh. Let's have a look what's inside. So what's that? Oh, that's like for thrust rod adjustments. And here's the beast. Get rid of that. What does it say? Yeah, P7 Alder AWH027R. That's actually quite a nice touch, because it means that somebody wrote that there, and that, you know, the person should at least have a look at it and see if it's alright. Boom. Nothing else in the box. Let's have a look. The one-hand thing, so it's tricky. Right. I'm gonna put it down that way. Nice. Nice. You know that nice in French, nice, is a French town. What a terrible joke. Right. Oh, really nice finish, man. Yeah. Really nice. I actually sold, I had a Warwick thumb bass 5-string bolt-on from 2004. I actually kind of don't know if I'm gonna regret selling it, only because it is what it is, and that was a really good bass, but I really grew tired of its sound. And damn, there it is. Really nice. Really nice. Second generation. Thrust rod adjustment there. Sire Marcus Miller. The pots. That was. What does it say? So it comes with XL, the Darios. I'm not sure, and this is gonna be, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I don't know, and I couldn't find anywhere does it mention what strings does it have, but by having a look at it, it looks like 45s, 045s, and Thomann quality inspection. Yep, so he's got the number. Yeah, that's it. The nice unboxing. I'll do a couple of videos with it later on. Cheers, thanks for watching.